And remember, you gotta hold the mouse with the item and then let go of the. So.
I love telekinesis.
It's fun.
Hold the button.
It's a
Got
lot
it.
of fun.
Yeah. Hold to hold, and then let go to just zoom.
Okay, so let me just check where I am in the map. Okay, so.
Let it go!
Okay, so I have not checked. Okay, I have not
later.
I have not explored. Here, what the heck was that? Oh boy, rocket launcher. That's a rocket launcher.
Yeah, you can hack that. You can hack that too if you want.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna need to, just so I can get through this.
You can either telekinesis, sling that rocket right back, or you can hack that. Up to you.
Yeah, I think I'll hack it. Okay, so let's go north. Let's go here. Da, 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 da. Need some tall ones. There you go. Up.
This guy's a
up,
natural now.
left. Oh, come on. No, left. There we go.
Left, right, left.
Left.
Right, left.
Left. Come on. Need another straight. There we go. And increase speed. Yoink! Thank you. Hello. Money. Whoa, money.
Ta-da!
You got the power of an explosive turret on you.
Whoa, what the heck was that?
What was what?
Oh?
Anti-personal auto?
Yep. Anti-personal rounds. So
Uh-oh.
you can, those would work good on people.
Thank you. He's dead. He's dead. You can stop firing now.
Stop! He's already dead.
I saw something shiny. Hang on.
I just have this unquenchable need to blow people up. I am Rambot.
Jeez.
Okay, now I'm moving faster. That's weird. Thank you. All right.
It really pays off.
Oh, security camera.
Yep, hack that baby.
Yeah, I'm trying to move it around. There we go.
Calling voice baby now?
Voice,
Alright.
voice, baby.
Yeah.
Bum 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 bada bum bum.
Good God.
Bum bum bada bum bum. Bum 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 bada bum bum.
Let's move you
All
down.
under the sea, water pressure.
Yes.
What's the spring coil for?
That just slows it down. Like if you put a spring coil there and it flows, it slows down the flow like really slow, so it gives you extra time.
Okay, so I'll just move you here just in case. I'm gonna need. Oh wow, okay, that's convenient. And there's the down one, and done. There we go.
Perfect.
Thank you. Alrighty. Another hypo. Clear.
There you go.
I believe. Wow, I'm like moving really fast now. No idea what hit me.
You're getting in the swing really good.
Oh, hello. Pistol rounds. Thank you. Switch.
That is a good question. That is a good realization. Nobody's made a Palpatine joke yet. Yeah.
Do it.
No. That's real. Okay. Oh. Enraged Trial. Let's have a listen to this one.
But
Okay.
I never come back.
Now, you will. Unlimited power.
Okay, interesting. Lot 44, we named Code 40.
Oh, you are dorks.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, we are.
My voice hurts when I do that voice.
Yeah.
But you're hurting voice. Stop it.
Oh.
My jokes are offending voice. Well, screw it.
Oh, dagnabbit, sweetie! Yeah! He's got the power of lightning and fire. What power will Ellie give him? Rage and puns!
Oh, another Eve hypo, thank you.
Well, Finn will probably give him the power of sunshine.
Yee.
Another first aid kit, thank you.
So what would Shay give him?
Got that, got that, got that. Just make sure.
Power of darkness.
Okay, where have I not
Hey,
explored
Shay's
yet?
got the cool power. He's got the power of darkness.
But you know what? If he gets my power, the perfect pickup line, he reaches into his pocket, he takes out an Eve hypo, he's like,
Armor
"You
piercing?
guys are screwed. I got a pocket full of sunshine."
Okay, can I get into... Alright, should be... Oh, hello, crawl space. Oh, I know how to do this. Okay, so let's switch over to...
You got this. You got this.
Can I...
Voice, I believe.
Okay, so why
Voice
can...
is smart.
Okay, so why can I not telekinesis this thing?
You can just whack it with your wrench.
Oh, I can, okay.
You're very smart, though. I am very impressed.
Hiya! And hiya!
Whack-a-mole.
Nothing there. Pistol rounds, thank you. Oh.
And in you go.
Yee.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
How
Okay.
you doing, Mr. Man?
Nothing. Hello!
How's it go?
Ooh, wrench jockey!
Yep.
Bolts up your upper body, allowing you to wield clubs like weapons. Okay. Let's put you here.
So
And-
basically, you put that baby in your tonic slot, and you're twice as powerful.
Gotcha. Okay, so... Shift.
A moment ago we were talking about if Voice has the power of lightning and fire, what would Ellie give him the power of? And, you know, just like hinting at, what would your friend's power give Voice, you know? So, like, apparently Lunacorp has the power of darkness.
Darkness.
The power of twist endings.
I was gonna say the power of over analysis, but I was the one who also said darkness, so my point's a
I
little.
like darkness, is funnier.
Okay, that's clear. That's weird. She was in the puddle. I'm surprised she didn't, Oh, did I not search you? Okay, I did. Okay, now how the heck do I... Okay, so follow the arrow to get back. Let me just double check, make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, so there's a wing that way.
Ding, 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 ding. Water pressure. Ding, 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 ding.
Alright, so
That
let's head...
song is stuck in my head. I'm sorry. I need to come up with something else.
Just making sure, yep.
It's another sea song. And no, not the obvious Disney ones.
E-song?
What will we do with the voice of reason? What will we do with the voice of reason? What will we do with the voice of reason in this water city?
How do you solve a problem like voice of reason?
Oh, okay, I got it. Yo ho, a voice is life for me.
Yay!
I would have said a reason's life for me, but that was clever.
Okay, just make...
A voice is life for reason.
Okay, so I have not gone to the supply room yet. And it won't let me.
I pillage and shoot people and don't give a hoot. I drink up your hearty joy.
Playing a
Yo
crush.
ho, a voice is life for me.
Let's see. Oh, did I not search
Plane
this?
it crashed into the sea, and I said abandoned ship. I'll shoot these guys and loot their bodies and heal my body with chips. Yo ho, what life is me.
Yeah, I know, I'm a hypocrite. Other than Disney songs and bam,
Oh,
what do I
jeez.
sing a Disney song?
Okay.
I gotta replay this on stream one day. I love that.
Yes, do it! No, or even better, write the lyrics for it.
Yes.
I need to point out, people, it's because of Finn and Luxmas that I have good music on my channel or good songs because they write the lyrics for me.
Yeah.
Chomper's
any,
dental
any
office?
like announcement thingy where I'm playing the piano, I also lyrics. So.
Yep.
And I gotta play this. game
Chomper's
again.
dental office. Yeah. Oh,
I love
jeez.
this game so much.
Oh, I'm tempted to replay again for sure. I'm also tempted to replay Portal 2 because I just love Portal games.
Yes. Sadly, Valve can't count to 3, so we never got a third one. It's a shame.
I don't think we ever will.
Okay, so
I mean, you know how Valve is with the rule of 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Count.
Okay, so
Okay, let's try with the Team Fortress games. 1, 2.
Okay, let's try with Half-Life. 1, 2.
Okay, let's try
with Portal. 1, 2.
Okay, last chance with Left 4 Dead. 1, 2. Ah!
It ain't gonna happen, people. They don't like the rule of 3.
We can dream.
Yeah, trying to find that Chomper's key, but it doesn't seem to be in here. Chomper's dead.
Somebody said Left 4 Dead 3 is a thing.
It's still possibly in development.
Yeah.
Yeah. And technically Half-Life Alyx came out, so you didn't get a new Half-Life.
Technically.
That doesn't count.
It kind of
Made
counts.
by fans.
Just a little bit.
Yes. Yeah, no idea where that Chomper's key is.
Count. It was made by fans. Because they got sick of waiting for Valve to do it. That's why.
I admit there are only like 2 people who can pun without being complete cringe. I guess I'm one of them.
Yeah, just making sure. Checking the map again.
Aw, that's saying something because he hates puns.
Thank you, big bro.
Aw, that's gay.
I guess back down this way.
Yay! It's so fabulous!
Although one, yes, you're the star. We need you back.
He blew himself up.
Screw it, I ship it.
That's the power of platonic relationship.
He blew himself up.
Oh, if you have telekinesis, you can throw those bombs right back at his.
Oh yeah, I remember doing that. It's fun.
Yeah.
I love doing that. I am a horrible person. It's like, oh yeah, I remember doing that to them. It was so much fun. Oh god.
He takes out his can. It's like, have some hot soup, and then he grabs one telekinesis. I'm on a diet.
I don't need to give Sweetie ideas. She's the queen of ships. She's already had them.
Alrighty.
She's had them for years, guys. I'm not beating her at anything.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, no. That title is reserved.
Yeah. She's the queen of ships for a reason. Ha! Cause voice of reason.
Ah!
Hey-oh.
Bag of potato chips.
Did I miss some?
Yeah, I know that one.
Proximity mines.
It's okay. Just eat some potato chips. What is this game implying? Eat junk food, kids. It will restore your health.
Now, what do you call it? It's like a new Lace commercial. It's like, now proven by doctors around the world. But only one doctor, and he's from a fictional game. But still, we're putting in this commercial because we want to sell more bags. Lay's, doctors approve.
I wonder if I can use telekinesis on you. Okay,
Move the doors with your tin. Oh,
nope,
look at that.
nope, won't allow me.
Look at this guy.
Look at this dude.
Look at this guy.
Why is that working? That should have worked. What the fuck?
Doors. You can't pull the doors with the telekinesis. You gotta find another way.
Nah.
Oh, that's crap.
Yeah.
No, it was smart though. It was very smart. It's just that's not the way.
Give me the power to move doors.
And it's like one of those supermarket automatic doors that just slides open. Thank you.
Let's just hack you.
Oh yeah. I think telekinesis was one of my favorites just because just picking things up and throwing them violently at my enemy, satisfying.
And then you just ragdoll them across the room.
Yes.
It's fun.
Where are you?
Oh,
Up.
I see. Okay.
Switch. There we go.
Yay. Oh, and voice, I hope I'm not like backseat gaming too
No,
much.
no, 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 no. Like, I appreciate the help.
Okay.
Good. Oh, another vending machine. I might have. Oh, and a vandalism.
Oh.
It has been brought to my attention
Definitely
that some
hack first.
citizens have discovered ways to
Oh, hello.
Ask questions later.
the vending machines. I should not need to remind each and every citizen of Rapture that free enterprise is the foundation upon which our society has been established.
Oh, Ammo Bandito is a ammo vending.
Gotcha. Okay. So let's hack you first. Oh, okay. Never mind. That's pretty. Yeah.
Itchy, itch, itch, itch. Ah, feels better.
All right. Let's have.
But you could try it at least.
I'd rather not.
I believe. Oh.
We believe in. Never mind.
All right. Fine. I'll try. I'll attempt.
I believe I can fly.
Because the worst that happens if you fail a vending machine hack, you just get hurt. So.
Get a light little zap in the face.
Okay. Let's go there.
No, he's got this. He's
No,
got
no,
this.
I believe. I believe.
I believe.
I believe. Voice won't die.
Okay. I just need one of. Come on. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Got it. Done.
Good. See, told you.
Woohoo! All right. Let's have a look at what we got. Okay. I need some hypos. I need a hype. Yeah. Let's get some hypos.
Yeah, you got to stock up on hypos. You got nothing.
And Bala will restore a small amount of health, but drain a small amount of eve. Nah.
It's the way we wash our hands.
Nah, I think we're good now. Alright.
And Magic Star Flash says Ari has a good singing voice. Yes, she does.
Oh, she's always had a great singing voice.
Alright, let's see if we can hack. Okay, what's
Where'd
the.
that come from? What did I
She's also got good character voices. Yes.
Alright, let's have a look at this one now.
Character voices for sale.
What's her name? Former wife of Asmodeus.
Former wife of Asmodeus? We never met her. She died.
Okay, the current one.
She
Shit,
doesn't
there.
have one. You mean
what's
Glazia?
her- Glazia, yes.
Yep.
Oh, hello, my lovelies. What exactly?
Oh, no, no. Oh, crap. I screwed up. I screwed up.
Yes.
That's good.
He's very good.
I love how.
Oh no!
I
love how.
Okay, okay. Short circuited. We're good.
Yeah, I told you, you just get a little hurt. You're good.
Love
Alright,
how immediately
try again.
the second
Oh.
I do the voice, it throws you off.
It's a good voice.
It is a good voice. I'm sorry. Yeah, we just watched him get zapped in the butt. Yeah.
Oh,
Muchas
I'm-
gracias, senor.
I am way far behind you guys, so.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's so good.
So
But yeah.
I need a. Crap. I need a
One
you.
thing I will say, which is a little odd, like, Rapture is supposed to be a utopian society where, like, everybody lives in peace and harmony. Why would they have ammo vending machines just out?
No, Rapture's supposed to be a place where you don't let laws and whatnot get in the way of your passions. If your passion is to be a serial murderer, they allow you to do it.
There we go. Okay.
That is true.
All right. Let's see what we get.
Up.
Wow. I can't afford any of this. Okay. All right.
Muchas gracias, senor.
Okay. Well, I'll get to that in another round.
Right.
Oh my goody gosh.
One thing that's going to come in super handy later on, you can actually craft your very own.
Yeah. Okay.
So, you don't have to buy it at
Stein-
freaking overpriced, racially insensitive vending machines.
Steinman kills. Okay. Good to know.